Hey guys, and welcome back to Maximo Minutes podcast. I'm Said, and today we are diving into a topic that can save your optimization time, money, and headaches: asset criticality analysis. So let's get started. Not all assets are created equal. Some are vital to keeping your operations running, while others will. So, if they fail, you can probably survive for a while. In this episode, I'll show you how to identify and prioritize your most important assets using IBM Maximo. What is asset criticality analysis? Determining the importance of each asset based on risk, cost, and impact. So asset criticality is a way to rank your assets based on how important they are to your business. Think of it like a triage in a hospital. The most urgent patients get treated first. So in asset management, your most critical equipment gets the most attention. So some factors here like impact on operation if the asset fails, safety risks involved, regularity or compliance importance, and repair or replacement cost. These factors can determine criticality of your assets. To recap it, impact on your operation, safety risks involved, regularity or compliance importance, repair or replacement cost. Why it's important, why criticality matters. Well, if you are trying to give all assets the same level of attention, you will burn out your maintenance team and budget. So criticality analysis helps you allocate resources efficiently, prioritize preventive maintenance schedule, reduce downtime for key assets, comply with standards like ISO 55000 and ISO 31,000. Basically, you are making sure your maintenance dollars are spent where they have the biggest return. Criticality in ISO standard. ISO 55000, the global standard for asset management, emphasizes that asset decisions should be risk-based. ISO 31000, the risk management standard, provides a framework for identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks. So, criticality analysis is your bridge between these standards and real-world asset management. In Maximo, you can implement these principles using asset attributes, classifications, and custom fields. How to score asset criticality? So here is a common way to score criticality. Safety impact, score from 1 to 5. So ask yourself, does this failure endanger people? Then operational impact from 1 to 5. Will the production stop? Then financial impact from 1 to 5, cost of downtime and repair. Then environmental impact from 1 to 5, risk of spills or violation. So give score for every step of this: safety impact, operational impact, financial impact, environmental impact. So add these scores together, the higher the total, the more critical the asset. So in Maximo, you can store these in custom attributes and run reports to sort assets by their score. So how to do it in Maximo? Here is one way to set it up. Add custom fields for safety to asset application, to safety, operational, financial, and environmental impact. Then create calculated field for criticality score to sum these fields together. Then use asset classification or priority field to group assets into high, medium, low. Then create a BERT report or KPI to monitor your critical assets. Once set up, this makes it easy for planners to filter orders and focus on what matters most. Examples here for pump station as a case study in water utility. Imagine water utility company with hundreds of pumps. Pump A feeds water to the entire city. Failure means no water for 500,000 people. And pump B is a backup in a small park fountain. Which one gets more preventive maintenance or even predictive? Obviously, pump 1. By scoring each pump, you ensure resources go to the most vital equipment, not just the one that happens to be closest to the workshop. Benefits after implementation. Here is a real-world results. Companies that implement asset criticality analysis maximum report 20 to 30% reduction in unplanned downtime, improved safety compliance, more efficient maintenance scheduling, better budget justification to management. It's not just about data, it's about making smarter, faster decisions. Finally, your assets aren't equal. Treat them accordingly. Asset criticality analysis is the backbone of effective asset management. With Maximo, you have the tools to do it without drowning in spreadsheets. If you found this episode useful, hit subscribe to Maximo podcast. Give this video a like, drop a comment, telling me which assets you think are most critical in your organization. Thank you again. See you in the next episode. Stay that moment. Stay organized.